This video demonstration will cover the safe operating procedure of using a pump pallet truck. We will cover general safety advice, operator protection, and a guide to operating the equipment safely. Risk assessments define the control measures required to reduce the risk associated with using the pump truck and prevent injury to the operator of equipment and others around them. You must understand and be familiar with the controls of the pump pallet truck and have training to understand how we use the pump pallet truck safely before operating the equipment. Operators will be supplied with and must use the following safety equipment: a high-vis jacket, steel toe cap boots. Gloves are also recommended, especially in adverse weather. You must carry out pre-user checks, which check the condition of the equipment before you use it. These checks should include inspecting the forklift for damage, checking that the wheels are in good condition, checking hydraulic jack cylinders for any leaks, check that the handle is secure, checking any bolts and fasteners, check the blade rollers. You must also record and report any other visible damage or defects, and if any faults are found, ensure the equipment is taken out of use immediately. Once you have checked the equipment is safe to use, you must follow safe operating procedures for operating the machine. Prior to manoeuvring and after the visual inspection, you will need to check the hydraulic pump is in working order. Take the handle lock out of the neutral position by pressing the lever located on the handle downwards and pull the handle towards you. The forks of the truck should rise. Always ensure adequate space is left between yourself and the handle. Drop the forks of the truck back to the ground floor, pull the lever, located on the handle, upwards as far as it goes. Press the lever down once to the neutral position. Plan your route and check that it is free of obstructions and is suitable surface and gradient. Ensure there is enough clearance. Be aware of overhead obstructions and width restrictions. You must avoid moving loads up or down ramps or on poor surfaces. Always keep at walking speed and a safe distance from others around you. Never ride, stand or sit on the pallet trucks. Never leave a pallet truck with a raised load or on an incline. If the checks are all completed and the equipment is safe to use, you may now maneuver the pallet from the safe storage area. You will need to lift the forks to desired height by pumping the handle and moving the pallet truck as demonstrated. Always travel at a safe speed and face the direction that you're travelling. Ensure that there is sufficient space between yourself and the handle. If difficulty is found when pumping, the load may be too heavy. Do not overload the pallet truck and work safely within your limits. When fully lowered, push the lever into the neutral position. Pull the forks from the gaps of the pallet by firmly gripping the handle. Ensure adequate space is left between yourself and the truck when pulling away from the pallet. Return the pallet truck to its designated storage area with the handle in the neutral position when not in use. Never transport or load empty pallets in stacks or move high loads that would prevent you from being able to see clearly past the load. Make sure that the pallets are not left placed under roller shutters, obstructing evacuation routes, or in front of fire doors. Every effort has been made to ensure that the instructions and demonstrations given in this video will enable trained personnel to use the pallet truck safely. But please remember, in the event of difficulty or concerns, stop and seek advice from your team leader or supervisor. Thank you.